A big hello and lots of love to all my children. Have a beautiful morning and a wonderful day. Welcome to Senior KG class. I am your Prerna ma'am. Yesterday we have learnt about rainy season. Let's do a recap of previous session.
Rainy season is the most awaited season as children love to play in rain. It is also called monsoon season. It comes after summer season. Rainy season starts in the month of June and lasts till September. The weather during rainy season is cloudy, stormy, windy, and rainy. Sometimes we can see a rainbow during rainy season. Rainbow looks very beautiful with its 7 colors. During the rainy season, we see creatures like snail, frog, and earthworm. We use raincoat, umbrella, and gumboots during rainy season to keep us dry during the rains. Food that we like to have during rainy season are pakoras, hot soup, corn cobs, hot drinks, jambulan plums, guava, gooseberry, etc. Precautions for rainy season. Always use mosquito nets and repellents because malaria is the most common disease during monsoon, which is caused by mosquitoes. Always drink lots of boiled and purified water to lower the risk of waterborne diseases. Avoid uncooked or street food because they may have germs and the chances of infection are higher. Take bath as soon as you reach home to protect yourself from infections. It is important to eat healthy food to avoid stomach infections.
Let's do an activity related to rainy season.
Today we will make an umbrella with paper plate. For that we need half paper plate. You can take your mother's help to cut the paper plate into half. 1 straw, some bindis, fevicol, brush and any one color of your choice. Here I have taken purple color to paint the umbrella. Let's start coloring. First we have to color on the edges. We have to color it properly so that no white space should be seen. Now we have finished coloring. Let it dry for some time. Now the color has dried up. Let's decorate it with colorful bindis. We have to spread the bindis like this. Now we have decorated the upper part of the umbrella. For the lower part, let's stick this straw at the back side of the umbrella. We'll take some fevicol and stick it on the straw. Now we will paste it here. Press it for some time so it will stick properly. Now our umbrella is ready.
Have you solved the worksheets which I have given you yesterday? Let's see the solutions.
In this worksheet, we have to match the correct pictures with rainy season. Here we have some pictures related to different seasons. We have to sort out the things related to rainy season and match them with the rainy season. First picture is of raincoat. Raincoat is related to rainy season. So we will match it to the rainy season. Second picture is of corn cobs. Usually we eat corn cobs during rainy season. So we will match this picture to the rainy season. Third picture is of sweater. We use sweater during winter season. So it is not related to rainy season. So we will not match it. Fourth picture is of ice cream cone. Usually we eat ice cream during summer season. So it is not related to rainy season. So we will not match it. Fifth picture is of umbrella. Umbrella is related to rainy season because it protects us from rain. So we will match it with rainy season. Sixth picture is of woolen cap. Woolen cap is used usually in winter season. So we will not match it with rainy season. In this worksheet of rainy season, we have to circle the correct letter. Here we have some pictures. We have to see them and identify the first letter of these pictures and then circle that first letter in our worksheet. First picture is of raincoat. Raincoat starts from R. R is the sound of R. So we have to circle on R. Second picture is of umbrella. Umbrella starts from A. A is the sound of U. So we have to circle on U. Third picture is of corn cobs. Corn cob starts from K and K is the sound of C. So we have to circle on C. Fourth picture is of gum boots. Gum boots starts from G and G is the sound of G. So we have to circle on G.
I hope you have learnt many things about rainy season. Enjoy rainy season, but take precautions. Bye-bye.